Okay, mathematicians, are you ready to subtract with some larger numbers? I think you will probably see these pictures and you will either subtract from a 10 or you'll subtract by taking a few off at a time, called chunking, I'm calling it. So the next few slides will help you to visualize subtraction. You will see dots, just like before. You will be asked, how many did you see? Then I will ask you to subtract a certain number of dots while you visualize the 10 frames. The important part is what you do when you subtract the dots. So make sure you tell me, well, you won't really be talking to me, of course, but you'll be doing it in the video. So here we go. How many do you see? Okay, take away 8. How many will be left? You're right, 10. 18 take away 8 equals 10. Great job, mathematicians. Here's another one. How many did you see? Okay, take away 10. How many will be left? You're right, mathematicians. There's only 4 left. Notice how I just crossed out all of the first 10 frame. Okay, here's another one. How many did you see? This time I want you to cross out 3 of them in your brain. How many are left? 10. 13 take away 3 equals 10. Okay, here's another one, mathematicians. How many did you see? Picture it. Take away 10. Where are you taking them away from? How many are left? You're right, 6. There are 6 left. 16 take away 10 equals 6. Okay, last one of these. How many did you see? Take away 5. How many will be left? You're right. 15 take away 5 equals 10. Great job, mathematicians. Okay, the next ones, you're going to be taking a different number away. It won't be a 10. I think it might be a little more of a challenge, but I know you can do it. So here is the first one. How many dots do you see? Okay, now that you have that pictured in your brain, how many was it? Take away 6. Take away 6 of the dots, and how many will be left? Think about it for a minute. I'm trying not to go too fast. Did you get 9? That's what I got. Now, which way did you do it? And I'm going to bring up my cool little red pointer. Did you take away the 6 from the first 10 frame? I know many kids who do it that way. And then did you take the 4 and add it to the 5 and get 9? Or did you take away the bottom 5 and 1 more and still get 9? 15 take away 6 equals 9. If you have never tried a problem like that before, pick one of the ways that makes the most sense to you. Does it make more sense taking from the 10? Or does it make more sense to your eyes to take like in chunks? Okay, let's try another one just like it. How many do you see? Okay, I know how many I saw. Take away 3 of the dots. How many will be left? Where are you taking them from? Okay, here we go. It's 8. Did you take the dots from the 10 and then add the extra 1? So 7 plus 1 is 8? Or did you chunk it? Did you take 1 away and 2 more and you still knew it was 8? Or I bet some of you already knew that was 8. 11 take away 3 equals 8. Okay, let's do another one. How many did you see? I know how many I saw. Was it kind of too many to see? I'll show it to you one more time. How many is that? Picture it. Okay, take away 8 dots. How are you going to take away 8? Visualize the dots in your head. Did you get 9? Did you take from the 10 and take the 8 away up on the top and have 2 and 7 left over? Or did you take away in chunks and take the bottom 7 and 1 more away? Either way, 17 take away 8 equals 9. The purpose of this, remember, is to practice, to start to learn to visualize so you can remember these facts. Okay, here's another. How many did you see? Take away 4. How many will be left? Did you think it was 8? Some of you might have taken away the 4 from the top and then added 6 and 2. Others of you might have taken away 2 and 2 in your brain and gotten 8. 12 take away 4 equals 8. Here's another one. How many did you see? Take away 8. Think about that picture in your head and take away 8. How are you going to take away 8? Did you get 6? Did you take away 8 from the top 10 frame and then get 2 left plus the 4 equals 6? Or did you chunk it and take 4 and 4 away and you still had 6 left? How does your brain see it? It doesn't matter. 14 take away 8 equals 6. Here's another one. How many did you see? Take away 9. How could you take away 9? Take away 9. Oh, did you get 7? Holy cow, look at this top one. You could have taken away 9, and then you're left with 1 and 6, so 7. Or did you take away 6 and 3 more and still get 7? No matter what, 16 take away 9 equals 7. Here's another one. How many did you see? Take away 7. So picture what you saw in your brain and take away 7. Oh, it's 6. Did you take away the 7 with the 4 and the 3 and then have 6 left? Or did you take away 7 from the top and have 3 and 3 left? It's still 6. 13 take away 7 equals 6. Great job, mathematicians. One more, and then we are done with this part of the practice. How many do you see? Picture how many you saw and then take away 6. How many are left? You're right, it's 8. 14 take away 6 equals 8. Did you take away the 6 from the top? And were you left with 4 and 4 equals 8? Or did you take away 4 from the bottom and 2 more? And you still had 8 left. Which way did you do it? Thank you so much, mathematicians, for doing subtraction with me. You were subtracting over 10 just now. I don't know if you knew that, but your answers, you started with a teen number and you subtracted some that took you below 10. Practice some of these. All the ones on this screen are different, so you could picture them in your head. Then I gave you some challenging ones over here. Do you see these? Could you picture the number 23? Take away 6. How many are left? Do the same thing with all the rest of them. Pick whichever ones you want and keep practicing. Try not to count. Have an awesome day.